This video has been collated to highlight exclusive opportunities our partners can provide you. They welcome all inquiries in their area of expertise, even if it's only advice you're after. Actura offers your school students a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to undergo a STEAM program at the Case School NASA Base Camp, as well as assistance with setting up robotics clubs for your boarders. Our aim is to create ABSA expeditions and groups to allow all boarders the opportunity to get involved. Reach provides a one-stop solution for your pastoral care needs in the boarding house. They are the leading online boarding management system which can manage your leave, roll calls, end-of-duty reports and much more. Let's Live finds your quality and duty of care trained GAP assistants who already play a vital role in many of our boarding schools. Let's Live also assist boarders and school students from Australia who are looking to have a gap year overseas. Final Sight empowers boarding schools to showcase their offerings through websites and communication platforms. Final Sight are the world's leading school website provider and are an effective marketing resource. In addition to hosting ABSA's website, our members can access free website reviews to ensure your school has the best online presence. Bond University have a range of study opportunities for boarding staff and students, including pathways, focused on areas outside of their studies while at school, and they don't have the normal entry requirements. Bond focuses on a personalised approach to study during the Accelerated Study program. Our partnership offers free presentations for our boarders from world-leading professors who focus on skills our future generation will require. Guardian is a unique application that is designed to keep people safe so they can enjoy the life and freedom everyone is entitled to. Through advanced technological development, efficient emergency assistance is available to all people 24/7 and includes instant CCTV, messaging, alerts and more. A-Team Tuition specialises in transforming all boarders into A students. Through a tailored solution of tutoring, academic strategy and mentoring, they can produce amazing results with your boarders. EdStart provides affordable financial solutions for families sending their children to our boarding schools. Their program is designed to work in partnership with the school to alleviate the pressure of finances by allowing parents to spread their payments over multiple years, not just when they have children at school. Bunnings provides huge discounts and access to a wide range of products and services for boarding schools. At no cost, this offering is available to all departments at our schools. Bunnings also provide the opportunity to bring in specialised trade services to teach and engage your boarders. ComplySpace allows schools to focus on education by providing a complete and diverse compliance solution. The ComplySpace boarding module assists greatly with meeting the boarding standard for Australian schools and residences, minimum requirements and beyond. Leading Image focuses on providing high-quality school photography images with an industry-best turnaround for photo delivery. The team at Leading Image work with schools across Australia with the aim to make this job as easy as possible for both staff and students. Chartwells have invested many years into understanding the boarding market to ensure they build and create nourishing environments for our boarders, staff and parents. Food plays such a vital role in the life of our boarding school, and Chartwells have the experience to support you. Our partnership provides a free external catering review with no strings attached. Student Concierge Services has an incredible service which supports boarders in all of their special needs ranging across storage, dry cleaning and school preparation needs. The development of cabs for kids has allowed our boarding schools to be confident in the transportation of their boarders, ensuring safe drivers who go the extra mile. The Wealth Academy provides financial training and resources specific to boarders and day students. Their aim is to improve the financial life skills of all students by providing relevant resources and modules to be used by students, staff and families. Real Response runs first aid courses, youth mental health first aid and other emergency response training for boarding staff. Their industry experienced staff have developed action-packed training including a suite of tailored scenarios which creates real-life learning for your staff. Avanti have custom-designed boarding school mattresses. They offer an extremely affordable and high-quality solution to ensure all of our boarders sleep well at night. Together, we aim to replace mattresses at least every 6 years, giving each boarder a new mattress to enjoy their boarding journey on. Chinese Language and Cultural Advice specialise in cultural awareness training for boarding staff and day staff alike. CLCA have 2-hour, half-day and full-day seminars that build awareness around expectations of international boarders and their families. Insight Plus specialises in strategic planning, reviewing and mentoring for leaders in the boarding community. The future of boarding is a key challenge for our schools, and the team at Insight Plus will help you define your point of difference and transition confidently into the years ahead. If you wish to learn more about our fantastic partners, please visit boarding.org.au or feel free to call the ABSA office on 07 3205 4940 or email absa@boarding.org.au.